Hi everyone, welcome to our November video. My name is Tracy Italiano and it's a pleasure to be with you today for the month of November to focus on our wonderful holiday kits that we have available. So the holidays give us a wonderful opportunity not only to give to others but also to give to ourselves. So we thought it would be nice to just review what's available in the holiday kits and take a look at their beautiful presentation and all the wonderful things that we can do step by step. So for the month of November, we've launched 3 different promotions, one for Nelly, one for Physiodermie, as well as for DRUIDE. So you'll see via the web, as well as through our emails, we'll be highlighting a lot of these wonderful gift-giving ideas for you leading up to the holiday season. So to start with Nelly, we've created 4 beautiful kits, one with bioscience, which is ideal for normal to mature skin types, as well as to treat and brighten hyperpigmentation. With this particular kit, you have everything that you need to perfectly cleanse and exfoliate and oxygenate the skin, and our wonderful new radiance oil is all part of this package. So from there, we have the 3-minute gommage as the exfoliant in the bioscience kit, as well as the facial brush and 3 deluxe samples that will be all beautifully presented in our little boxes with recyclable materials, and they make an absolutely beautiful gift. So the first in bioscience, great for normal to dry, mature, and also hyperpigmentation. Moving along, we've also created a kit for bioacne, and within the bioacne kit, it's really the essential products that we need, not only to reduce the symptoms of acne, but also to treat maskne. So in this kit, we have the micellar foam, the facial brush, along with the pH balancing bioacne toner, the localized serum, perfect for pimples, as well as the bioacne mask that works as a 2-in-1, a purifying and drying lotion that we can use just locally overnight, or as an all-over detoxifying as well as exfoliating treatment for the skin. So in the bioacne kit, also you have 3 deluxe samples that you can try different textures of creams depending on the skin type. So after that, we have the Biofem kit, and the Biofem kit is a wonderful discovery package that you can really try different products within the Biofem line to see what works best for you. But we've included our 5 best-selling products within this kit to really provide you with long-lasting comfort and protection for women's wellness and hygiene. So within the Biofem line, we have the Biofem cleansing foam, which can be used as a daily cleanser, but also as a shaving medium. The Biofem toner as a hydrating and firming treatment for the external regions, along with the Lubiel, which is our organic as well as 100% vegan lubricant, which is great for anyone suffering from dryness. And then from there, within the Biofem kit, we've added the ingrown hair complex, which not only helps to prevent ingrown hairs, but will also slow down hair growth at the same time, allowing the hair to come in much softer and also much slower. And then the rejuvenating serum, which is a go-to hydrator for the skin, really can be used from head to toe, but specifically for dryness associated with menopause. This particular nourishing oil is perfect right after the shower or bath to restore comfort, hydration, and long-lasting protection and elastic skin. So our last kit in Nelly is the Bio Toss line, and this is a great line for just about everybody, for normal to dry, normal to combination, as well as normal to sensitive skins. And within the Bio Toss line, we have this wonderful complex of active ingredients that are microencapsulated to allow for an amazing delivery of these actives and for better and longer lasting results, even with organic skincare. So within the Biotense kit, we have available for you the Biotense Cleansing Milk and Toner Duo, which is wonderful for the drier weather that's quickly approaching. If in winter we get dryness as well as a little sensation of pulling, the cleansing milk is a wonderful soothing as well as hydrating cleansing medium, perfect for dry winterized skin. From there, we also have in the Biotoss kit the Biotoss cream that we can use morning and night as our moisturizer, and a wonderful little treatment right before holiday party or after a holiday party, where we can incorporate the exfoliating sponge to gently buff away dead skin cells and bring beautiful, healthy glow to the skin, along with our eye contour patches, which are a great way to help to dissipate signs of fatigue, any types of tension around the eye contour area, and instantly plump and firm the skin. So the Biotoss line is perfect for both pre and post parties, as well as just to provide us with great hydrating care all winter long. So within Nelly Diversity, hope that you like this year's kits, and it'll be a pleasure to answer any questions that you have in regards to our packages. They are available while supplies last, so we do recommend to place your order as quickly as possible, as we do sell out every single year. So moving on to Physiodermie. Within Physiodermie, we have a little bit of a simplified kit. We have two available. One, including the sensitive skin cream, which is great for all forms of sensitive and dehydrated skin, along with a second kit with the Optimum Lift Cream, my absolute favorite anti-aging moisturizer from Physiodermie. And within the Physiodermie kit, you'll also receive the deep cleansing milk or the SL shower milk, along with a Physiodermie headband, a beautiful travel bag. But during times of COVID, we can store other items in these bags until we're ready. And of course, the Physiodermie headband. It's a nice little gift. So in DRUIDE, we have some wonderful gifts that are all under $20. So if you're looking for something special and different for friends, family members, as well as for teachers and any essential service people that we have in our lives, the DRUIDE line really provides some wonderful gift-giving options that really give the gift of healthy skin and also a healthy environment. So for more information on the great gifts that we have through DRUIDE under $20, please consult our website, and you can see some wonderful formulations that are suitable for all skin types and all ages that are available for the holidays. So from there, we hope that you enjoyed today's overview on our Christmas kits and holiday kits. We really hope that you are enjoying your November, and we hope that you head into the holiday season healthy and happy. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and it will be a pleasure to guide you towards the best treatments and products for your skin. Thanks again, and happy holidays, everyone. Look forward to seeing you next month. Take care.